much longer on timer?
That was a funny one. Try asking me for an animal fart, or just say random.
How much longer on timer?
That was a quick and squelchy one. Try asking me for an engine rumble or fart.
Alexa, exit.
I'm gonna adjust my camera. Just a second. Hold on. Because people are saying like it needs to be flipped. Let's try that. Let's try that. Ooh.
And they say, chuck it in. Okay, bop. Album. And then the guy says, the fuck is up? They already have some in it. Max. The fuck? The fuck? The fuck am I looking at, bruh? Chat, is that fight wrinkles? Bro, I'm going to the computer. Give me a second. What? This right here. Yeah, I'm going back to the computer. Be right back. I don't know how this shit works. Go tell him.
Fudge Nintendo.
Ignore his Nintendo shirt. Ignore it.
What is on a personal basis?
I think the ultimate question is more interesting. It's like, are they willing to just shut down every ultimate tournament that isn't licensed, assuming we don't support any tournament that Nintendo is licensing?
Pokemon Scarlet and Violet sold 10 million copies in 3 days.
Ah! No, yeah. I mean, I don't think they're worried about the money.
Lacari, I'm trying to reach you like this. This is the only way you will listen to my voice. Cut the gotcha shit out right now. This is an intervention. We have tried every other means of reaching you, and this is the only way we seem to be able to get any sort of reaction from you anymore.
Why is this triggering my fight or flight reflex? This is primal torture. Please make it stop. Please. I can't take it anymore. Schizo. I hear the whispers. I hear the licking. I hear the wind. Please. I gotta take my headset off. This shit is bleeding my eardrums out, Plaza Man. Look X, it was funny at first but getting kinda suspect now. Lying to us if you're not bricked up as a bitch. Absolutely juiced to the wazoo. Stand up lil bro.
Guys, I have no underwear and no more pants to wear. All my pants are fucking disgusting. They are fucking disgusting. It's unbearable. Okay? But I know how to do the... You know, I'm just gonna fucking Google it. I don't give a fuck. Man, dude, what time is it? It's 5 a.m. Eastern. Nobody cares what content we're fucking watching, right? LG washing machine tutorial. I think I have like this, I think.
Alright, today I have an LG watch, and I'm going to get started on it. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to press the power button, and I turn the power button on and it lights up everything. It's
Let me check the model. here's a good one that you guys interact with every day, right? Streamers that act like they don't make a lot of money. Streamers that act like, oh, dude, I'm broke. Even sometimes, even I call them out. I'm like, dude, you're rich. Stop being a dumbass, right? They literally act deliberately. They do it on purpose, and they joke or whatever, but they're not joking. I'm not calling anybody else. I'm saying they deliberately, and even after a bunch of times you say, yo, dude, you make a lot of money. No, and they try so hard to tell you that they don't, right? Because it's a break in the facade, right? That's entangled with a system that's rewarding it. It's a system that makes them money, right? And one of the bricks of that is acting like you don't make money.
Got a call from the Toronto Blue
So you remove
Jays.
one brick
They want you
or
to
the
try
other,
out for
another
the
brick,
team next year.
and the facade falls
Without
apart,
breaking
and you
my
can't have that.
Squeex, you're so clearly fake fucking drinking coffee. You think I'm fucking insane? Look at this. How stupid do you think I am? Seriously, so stupid. Alright, let's take a look here. Let's do a new Forest Frontiers. Let's do shall we do Forest Frontiers? Let's take a look at Forest Frontiers. How about that? Okay. Sorry about that, guys. I haven't played this game in a long time, so let's check it out. Roller Coaster Tycoon. Let's take a look-see, shall we? Okay.
Our first interaction.
Hey guys, can you hear me? Hello?
Shut the fuck up.
The nominations are now open, chat, for the New Year's show. First of all, there's an official Twitter account for the New Year's show, and it's called NymN's New Year's Show. Or, well, it's called NymN New Year. It looks like this. Boom. Very cool.
Yo, this is like the comment section is in unison. What the hell's going on? Holy shit. What the fuck is this? Kiriko, Symmetra, Sombra, Anna, Moira. The part where Moira says surrender to my bank? Dude, what the hell, dude? I love the part when Zenyatta said experience debt. Oh no. I love the part when Reinhardt uses ultimate and says wallet down. Oh my god. What the fuck?